Hello everyone, Jordan here. Today, or this afternoon, I wanted to get out again and go for a little hike, so I figured I'd bring you guys along with me. I got a few subscribers that really enjoy the outside stuff, so I really do too, and figure if everybody else is enjoying it, then yeah, I just go ahead and record it. So that's what we're doing. They got this little water pipeline or whatever running through here to I'm not sure what they're using the water for, but if you watched a couple of my previous videos, I think over at the other place, the Hooper Springs, where that waterfall was coming out, I don't know if it has something to do with that or if it's just like water coming off of a mountain somewhere. I don't know. It's hard to say. So I'm gonna stroll down here. Get down here to this creek. I've seen some pretty cool areas. Oh yeah, it was this way. Yeah, that MRE today went pretty good. I mean, it was fairly tasty anyhow. I had, when I shut off the camera, I dipped the oatmeal cookies into the coffee, and man, it was a lot better. I mean, for my teeth, for one, it made them extremely more soft. And then just the flavor with the oatmeal and the coffee, it was really good. So if you guys haven't tried that, you may want to do that sometime. Oh. Kind of fell in a little water hole there. Check along here, trying to watch my step. Not too sure what this building was for. Probably something to pump the water. Pump house of some sort. Oh, sorry about that. There's a dead bird down in there, unfortunately. Yeah, the clouds decided to kind of go away a little bit and sun poked out. I'm gonna pause you here and then get right back with you. Alright guys. Might have a little bit of a sun glare. Yeah, she was snowing off and on today, and kind of chilly. Probably mid-30s. Maybe reach 40. I was gonna add on here today the RC truck. I called an RC shop and said, hey bud, you gotta think you can find a part, you know, this certain suspension arm for a Ryobi RC truck. It was a Ryobi Uproar, and he just said, what is it, Chinese? And I was just like, oh, I don't know, it might be. And so he punched in the name, and he said he never heard of Ryobi, and I said, well, they make all kinds of power tools. I think even some weed eaters maybe, or something like that. And anyhow, he punched it in and couldn't find it. Oh yeah, she's shining now. So my next step was to, yeah, I'm gonna jump these rocks here. My next step was to try to get somebody find somebody that does 3D printing. And I found someone. They're a couple hours away, but I could just, you know, mail him the piece that I want remade. So anyways, I emailed him and everything, and found out that it's gonna be about $50 for this little arm, this little plastic arm, probably 3 inches long. Yeah, so not too sure yet what I'm gonna do with that. I may try these epoxy again, we'll see. You know, it held up okay. It just couldn't take that impact of hitting the curb again. So we'll see how it goes. I told the guy I'd email him the old piece of rim of some sort, tire rim. And these folks that live back here, I mean, as you can see, that fence right there is right on the edge. Erosion will eventually cause issues, I imagine, in some spots. Maybe not so much where this rock is, but so we'll see how it goes, guys, with the RC truck. I will probably just get some more epoxy first off and try to maybe do something a little different. Bear with me here, guys. Ugh. All right, I'll pause you for a second. Hi, guys. Here we are at Lover's Delight. In an earlier day, this very small spring was a secluded spot 12 feet down a steep incline. It required considerable effort to reach the spring, by stepping from rock to rock by holding firmly to willows growing along the trail. A rustic bench big enough for two sat among the willows at the top of the ravine. Early lovers came here to court, hence its name. This was a popular spring because the cold water was refreshing and it was close to town. The water in Lover's Delight. The spring tasted similar to the water at 90% Spring, located about a mile west of here. Water from that spring was bottled and sold as a mineral water under the title of Iden Ha. It was sold starting in 1887, primarily as a mixer for alcoholic beverages. The ratification of the 18th Amendment prohibition, I can't even say it, geez, greatly decreased the demand. So this is their little Iden Ha bottling works, 1887. And then the naturally carbonated water. So, as always, I forgot my little cup I was gonna bring. Test this out. That's okay, because there's at least 3 total spots that are like this type of mineral spring area that they have. And one of them I haven't showed you guys yet. So that next one I will do a taste test of the water on camera. Let you guys know how it is. This real orange hint of color to it. Just runs down on in the stream. This old nice block wall they got here. Stone wall, this is awesome. So yeah, this is one of our 3 or 4 springs. I'm sure there's a lot more than that. I think they said something like in the hundreds, but only there's only a few of them around town that are used where you can, I guess, actually drink out of them or something. So we will get into that here sometime, and I'll let you guys know how that stuff is. And here soon I want to get into doing a MRE or ration outside, so I will be doing that real soon. And also thinking about doing some stuff at night. I'm gonna probably have to obviously wait till I get my better flashlight for that, but I'd like to know what you guys thought about that. So get back to me on that, let me know. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Everyone stay safe and have a great night.